What is the preferred syntax for initializing a dict, curly brace literals, or the dict function? I'm putting in some effort to learn Python, and I am paying close attention to common coding standards. This may seem like a pointlessly nitpicky question, but I am trying to focus on best practices as I learn, so I don't have to unlearn any bad habits later. I see two common methods for initializing a dict. Which is considered to be more Pythonic? Which do you use? Why?
Curly braces. Passing keyword arguments into dict, though it works beautifully in a lot of scenarios, can only initialize a map if the keys are valid Python identifiers. This works. This won't work. It will result in the following error.
The first, curly braces. Otherwise, you run into consistency issues with keys that have odd characters in them, like equals.
The first version is preferable. It works for all kinds of keys, so you can, for example, say, 1 column 1, 2 column 2. The second variant only works for some string keys. Using different kinds of syntax depending on the type of the keys would be an unnecessary inconsistency. It is faster. If the special syntax for dictionary literals wasn't intended to be used, it probably wouldn't exist.
I almost always use curly braces. However, in some cases where I'm writing tests, I do keyword packing/unpacking, and in these cases dict is much more maintainable, as I don't need to change. 2. It also helps in some circumstances where I think I might want to turn it into a named tuple or class instance at a later time. In the implementation itself, because of my obsession with optimization, and when I don't see a particularly huge maintainability benefit, I'll always favor curly braces. In tests and the implementation, I would never use dict if there is a chance that the keys added then, or in the future, would either not always be a string, not only contain digits, ASCII letters and underscores, start with an integer, dict 1 foo equals 2 raises a syntax error.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.